Hello everyone, welcome to ACE Online and ACE Engineering Academy. Myself, Vagula Madhushekar, faculty at ACE Academy. I am here going to discuss about the syllabus change for GATE 2027, especially in mechanical stream. See, recently the IIT Madras gave notification regarding the GATE 2027, some important dates and also syllabus. Here is the twist. There is a small change in the syllabus, okay, compared to, you can see the last 10 years there is no much change in syllabus, but this year there is a change in syllabus. Why there is a change in syllabus? The IIT Madras bringing the syllabus, GATE syllabus, nearly towards the BTech curriculum like IITs and NITs curriculum, and also this GATE syllabus more relevant to the research and industry applications point of view. They are slightly moving towards the changes in the GATE syllabus. So what are these changes? And in all these topics I am going to give in details explanation. Now you can see here, this column represent GATE 2027 syllabus and this column represent GATE 2026 syllabus. What are the removed topics in GATE 2027? What are the added topics in 2027? Now let us see first the math. You can see the mathematics. There is no change in syllabus in the mathematics, especially for mechanical stream. See, whatever the syllabus is there in the linear algebra, same syllabus is there in 2027. Even in the calculus also there is no change in the syllabus, and differential equations also there is no change in the syllabus. So what I am saying, from the mathematics especially, no change in the syllabus. Remember, from the mathematics especially, no change in the syllabus in compare with GATE 2026. Okay, now there is no change in the syllabus. Now you can see there is a small little bit changes in the engineering mechanics. Actually, they removed Lagrange equation. This equation they removed from the GATE 2027. That is the only one remaining thing. From the strength of material, the syllabus is same. Engineering mechanics, the syllabus is same. Only one term they removed here actually. Okay, so that is the small change actually. And you can see the applied mechanics and design point of view, there is no change in the syllabus in theory of machines, and there is no change in the syllabus in the machine design, but they added some extra topics in the vibrations. What are the topics they added? 2 degree of freedom they added, and transmissibility they added, transmissibility ratio. Then this is the new one, control system, PID controllers, transfer functions. Remember, this is a new one actually. This is slightly towards electronics part actually. Control system is slightly towards the electronic part. So this is completely new topic they introduced in the vibrations actually. Okay, na? So you should focus on this control systems. Okay, na? Right. I think more in our most of the universities in BTech curriculum, this subject was there actually. Okay, na? It may be an open elective, but it is there. Okay, na? That's why they included. And there is no change in the machine design. There is no change in the theory of machines. Okay, na? In theory of machines, no change. Okay, and machine design, no change. Machine design, no change, as it is the syllabus is given. But in fluid mechanics also there is no change in the syllabus. There is no change in the syllabus as it is. So whatever it is there, here it is there. And but they added some new terms, that's it. But whatever the syllabus is there, same syllabus here also, some new terms they added, that's it. Otherwise the syllabus is same actually. Okay, na? Syllabus is same actually. High speed compressible fluid flow, flow through conversing and conversing diverging nozzles, right? All these things given, but here also generally people go through all these things about that. But you should also focus on this particular topics, conversing, diverging nozzles, okay, na? Regarding the fluid mechanics. Now let us consider, okay, heat transfer. You see there is no change in the heat transfer. Sorry, there is a small change in the heat transfer. Actually, they removed this Heisler chart actually. Heisler's chart they removed, okay, but they added boiling and condensation. Boiling and condensation they added in the heat transfer, okay. In thermodynamics, there is no change in syllabus, more or less same syllabus is there in thermodynamics. In applied thermodynamics, they added basics of combustion, air fuel ratios, equivalent ratios they added, okay na? In applied thermodynamics, they added one small topic, that is air fuel ratios and equivalent ratio, that is basics of combustions they added. And in turbo machinery, they added pumps, they added actually, okay na? In turbo machinery, pumps and pump characteristics they added. In turbo machinery, pumps and pump characteristics they added, okay. And if we talk about the material science and manufacturing and industrial engineering, you can see there is a change in the material science actually. Previously, there is only some topics like structures, properties and phase diagrams and heat treatment, stress strain diagrams of engineering materials, but they added, like you can say, metals and alloys, polymers they added, composites they added, ceramics they added, and one more, true stress strain curve. Here they asked just only engineering stress strain curve, but here they also added true stress strain curve. So there is a major change in the material science you can see here, okay na? And in the production, especially casting, forming and joining process, you can see, okay, casting, forming and joining process, more or less the same syllabus is there, but one new extra term, that is a non-destructive testing methods they added. This is the one new one they added, non-destructive testing methods. Actually, it is related to the maintenance engineering, but they added in the production part, okay na? So non-destructive testing methods they added in the manufacturing part especially, okay na? And you can see the machining and machine tool operations, more or less there is no change in the syllabus, same syllabus he has given, maybe some words they changed, but the syllabus is same. But here is the additive manufacturing. Previously they just gave a word additive manufacturing, but now they mentioned a syllabus for the additive manufacturing. You know, the principles of different types of additive manufacturing processes for engineering materials, additively manufactured products, advantages, limitations and applications. So from this, what I am saying, the GATE syllabus is slightly moving towards the industry and research, because nowadays the manufacturing is, advanced manufacturing is going on in the world, additive manufacturing. So they gave more weightage to the additive manufacturing. Previously they just gave a word additive manufacturing. It was recently, I think 2-3 years back, they gave this syllabus, new one, and they elaborated that one. And if you talk about the metrology and inspection, more or less same syllabus for metrology and inspection, right? And computer aided manufacturing and automation. Previously it was there just computer integrated manufacturing in their basic concepts of CAD CAM and their integration tools, but here elaborately they gave computer aided manufacturing and automation. So CAD CAM is given, integration tools, NC CNC machines they are given, CNC programmings they are given, and one complete new topic like pneumatic systems, electro-pneumatic system, hydraulic actuators and automations. This is slightly towards the robotics actually. It is robotics actually, robotics and mechatronics, they are moving. The syllabus is actually slightly moving towards the advanced technology, that is robotics and mechatronics it is moving. So this is a major change in the manufacturing, advanced manufacturing processes actually. And also they are changed, there is a change in syllabus in IM and OR also. In IM and OR, especially production planning and control, they added work study, productivity and Six Sigma principles. These things they added. Okay na? These things. And also they added in inventory control, okay, They elaborately, they gave the syllabus like deterministic models, safety stocks, inventory control systems, all these things. At the same time, they are added quality, reliability concept for products, life cycle analysis, all these things they added, right? And in the operation research, more or less, there is no change in the syllabus. Okay, now, so from this, what I am saying, especially for gate mechanical, compared to GATE 2026, 2027, some extra topics they are added. You know, what extra topics they added, you can see from this clear idea I'll give you. First of all, there is no change in math, but there is a small change in the engineering mechanics. They removed one topic, Lagrange equation topic, leave it that one. And they added in vibration, especially some important topics like 2 degree of freedom, transmissibility ratio. Then control system, complete new topic, electronics topic they added, control system, PID controller, transfer functions, these things they added. And in the fluid mechanics, there is no change in the syllabus, but in a heat transfer, they added boiling and condensation they added. Okay, na? In heat transfer, boiling and condensation they added. And thermal engineering part, basics of combustions they added like air fuel ratio, equivalence ratio, etc. And pumps characteristics also in the turbo machinery they added. And the production part, they gave major changes actually. Major addition they added. They are moving towards the advanced technologies like advanced materials. Previously, the polymers are not there, composites are not there, ceramics are not there. All these topics are added because nowadays the world is moving advanced technology towards the advanced technology, advanced materials. That's why they added some new syllabus. In the production, a new topic they added, especially the non-destructive testing methods. As a mechanical engineer, you should know about this method, non-destructive testing methods. That's why they added. And additive manufacturing play a key role, I think so this time, because they added more about the additive manufacturing. And also they added the pneumatic system, electro-pneumatic systems. This especially used in the robotics actually. So the robotics and mechatronics slightly they are included in this actually. And remaining topics, especially in IM and OR and work study, Six Sigma, quality, reliability, these concepts they added. Now, why there is a change in the syllabus? What is the major reason? What is the major reason? Reflect latest BTech curriculum. So, the GATE syllabus must be nearer to the BTech syllabus now, because the GATE syllabus, it was old syllabus. So, they are moving towards that BTech curriculum, latest curriculum. Include modern technology like additive manufacturing, automation, NC, CNC machines, Six Sigma principles. Okay, remove or reduce outdated topics. Okay, match industry and research requirements, improve equivalence and balanced evaluation of the candidates. So because of this reason, they added these extra topics. Okay, I hope you people understand this session. I think based on this syllabus, you should prepare for your GATE 2027 exam, right? All the best for your exam.